We want to bring in Paul Gessler now. Paul, a bleak revenue forecast due to this pandemic has caused the state spending board to cut more than $400 million from the state budget. Paul, where are the cuts being hit the hardest, though?
Well, Rick, the governor said that today's cuts saved more than 6,000 state jobs, but reductions more of them are expected next month.
This is very telling.
The state's budget department painted a bleak picture of what the pandemic is doing to Maryland's revenues. Ratings agencies project big hits to state budgets nationwide.
They forecast an average decrease in state revenues of 30%.
In that spirit, the state's Board of Public Works Wednesday took on $413 million in initial cuts. The governor had proposed even more.
So failing to make painful cuts now would cause a hatchet to be used on our state budget instead of the skillful use of a scalpel.
Some of the largest cuts Wednesday include more than $131 million in higher education, mostly to the University System of Maryland, more than $36 million from community colleges, $35 million from the Department of Health and its Medicaid deficit assessment, $28 million in a D.C. Metro grant reduction, and more than $15 million from juvenile services.
We should wait until our 2020 revenue are in July 15th.
Democratic board members, Treasurer Nancy Kopp and Comptroller Peter Francho pushed to put off another $205 million in cuts until next month. They agree the fiscal situation is severe.
This is a very serious situation, and it is potentially a long-lasting situation because there's an enemy out there that is attacking us, this virus that we can't control.
I agree with you. We should not sugarcoat things. There are going to be many, many more cuts.
COP wants to get a better handle on federal assistance and reserves. The state has more than $1 billion in its rainy day fund. Wages and health plan cuts to teachers and state employees were spared today, but those cuts are likely on the table for next month unless the state gets more federal assistance or the revenue report in 2 weeks looks better than expected. We're live tonight. I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.